welcome. I'm Ellen, and this is my brother's living room. All he has in here is this drab IKEA couch, and my goal today is to transform this into a cozy, modern living area that he can host his family and friends. So without further ado, let's go. First things first, this room is just crying out for a really big area rug, and I got this rug from Ruggable, and I actually really love Ruggable because you can get really large sized rugs for a pretty reasonable price, and you can get them in almost like any style, and they're washable and they're just really versatile, so I really like them. It was a little challenging to flatten this one out, but we got there in the end. So while I'm putting together some furniture, I'm just going to talk you through my plan and my mood board for this space. When I asked them about their style, they said they wanted something modern with light wood and some black accents to match the rest of their house. They also indicated to me that they would like boucle, but a lot of boucle furniture comes in rounded shapes, and the IKEA couch that we've got at the moment is very blocky and square, and we don't have the budget to replace it. So when you're looking to buy new furniture to match existing furniture, you want to match on at least one of three key elements, whether it be color, shape, or texture. So if we're looking at something boucle-like, it's most likely going to be white and a different texture to the thin fabric that is on the IKEA couch. So if it's not going to match on color or texture, then it needs to match a little bit on shape. So instead of boucle armchairs, I found these beautiful linen armchairs, which are also in a blocky shape, but they have some rounded elements, so they just soften the harshness of the corners just a little bit. And because they kind of match on that blocky shape, it complements the room really nicely. When hanging things on a wall, it's really helpful to have some kind of level. In this case, I had a laser level. I'm also using these 3M claw hooks, and they make the process so much easier as well. They have a little sticky thing on the back, which you put on the back of your frame, and then you line it up on your wall, and you just kind of press it on the wall, and it stays behind on the wall. And at the tip, you make a mark, and that is where you put your 3M claw. For the artwork, I showed them a few different inspiration pictures, and they indicated to me that they liked the look of this kind of wispy smoky black and white piece. So I actually went on Midjourney and just created a smoke-like effect that was very similar, and I split it into 3 images and got them printed out and framed. My brother also wanted a solution for his Wi-Fi router because previously it was just sitting on the floor in the corner, and he wanted to put it on the other corner so he would, I guess, get better Wi-Fi signal. And I wanted to put it onto the ladder but conceal it somehow. So I got this strip from the hardware store from Bunnings and concealed the cable inside it, and it's got a sticky base, so then I just attached it to the baseboard. And then I bought a really simple basket from Kmart and put it on the bottom shelf of the ladder and hid the Wi-Fi router inside it. So one little tip is if you have an old couch and you just want to spruce it up a little, it can help to just bash the cushions a little bit to kind of give them a bit more shape and not look so flat and old. And lastly, I just wanted to style the couch with white cushions and a throw to balance out the white armchairs on the other side of the room. And before I show you the reveal, here's a reminder of what it looked like before, and here is what it looks like now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this room makeover, I have plenty more coming, and so please consider hitting that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for my future makeovers. Thanks and see you next time.